Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, an interesting day, just because maybe, just maybe, some price action means something. Now, to be fair, it very well couldn't. It may not mean anything at all. But the interesting dynamic here is, and this will mean a little bit more to those that have watched the past videos, but I've talked about 0016 being an area of resistance, and the price has really just been trapped below, trap for quite a while. But then today, there was actually a moment where the price got up above that level, shot up as high as 0017. Now, granted, the price and all that movement did eventually fall back below there, and then that area went right back to acting as resistance. However, like I said, what makes this interesting is, number one, good solid volume today. Number two is, well, the price was at least able to break above that level, which none of this guarantees anything, because there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But my core point here is, it's at least the valid, it's at least the rational question to throw out there that, hey, you know what? Maybe, just maybe, some sort of move is getting ready to take place here, because at least the price showed that it did still have enough power to push up through that level of 0016. I mean, over the past few days, it's been quite discouraging, I'm sure, for people in this, thinking, geez, this thing, can it ever get above that level? And then it showed that it did. Granted, it failed. So again, maybe this doesn't mean anything, but at least the price showed the price could get through that level, and this did all occur on big movement from the volume standpoint. So keep an eye on that dynamic, and maybe this is some sort of bottom that's finally forming. And that's also what makes this a very important level moving forward down here at 0015, because everything I've talked about can very, very quickly get thrown to this curbside if all of a sudden the price just blasts down through that level, because at that point it would no longer make sense to question maybe this is some sort of bottom when all of a sudden the price has gone down even lower than what it had. But like I said, these dynamics here make this an interesting setup. Only Monday, so still 4 days left on the week. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.